Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. -5 over the square root of 40. Before rationalizing the denominator, we'll first simplify the radical. To do that, we'll factor out the perfect square of 4 inside the radical. So we have -5 divided by the square root of 4 times 10, which simplifies to -5 over 2 times the square root of 10. To rationalize the denominator, we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by the square root of 10. So we have -5 times the square root of 10 divided by 2 times the square root of 10 times the square root of 10, which is equal to -5 times the square root of 10 divided by 2 times 10. Notice that we have a common factor of 5 in the numerator and the denominator. We can divide that common factor out. When we divide 5 from the denominator, we're left with 2 times 2. And so the expression simplifies to negative the square root of 10 divided by 4.